Buat gue, setiap orang punya adiknya masing-masing. I'm addicted to healthy living, and addicted to capture my activities, addicted to capture my workout. We tell a story about ourselves through what we experience, who we are, what we see, what we mean, what we learn. I express myself through my makeup skills. It's what makes me who I am. Switching between close-up to feature the product I use and the makeup on my face is instant. Canon EOS R50 helps me to bring content to the new level. It's really quick and easy to switch between video and photo mode. Letting me share what's important to me with others. Kamera ini bener-bener gue banget sih. Like all the feature what I need ada di kamera ini. Buat gue semakin sering lagi bikin konten, and I addicted to create content.